Come on. Hey guys, so it's a day in May. I'm not sure what day, but it's Sunday and I have to upload a vlog at 9 o'clock and it's like 8:30ish, so I have to do that kind of soon. But then I need to eat breakfast and then we're going to a sunflower farm and I'm really excited. And here's
This is our outfit of the day. Hey.
OOTD dress from Target, bralette, I don't know, my necklaces from friends, my earrings from my mom, socks, Target, Converse, Amazon. But let's go get breakfast and go to the sunflower farm. So my mom got oranges yesterday, so that's what I'm having for breakfast. And I also put on this denim jacket because why not? It's really nice. Yeah. So it is 9 o'clock and I just uploaded the vlog and we are headed to the sunflower farm and let's hope it's open because we're not actually sure. I don't like bees. Oh boy.
Okay, joke of the day. What did the daddy buffalo say to the baby buffalo when he was going off to work?
What?
Bye, son!
Da-dunch. Okay, so we got the goods. We got 3 sunflowers, and right now we're going to like the marketplace. I think that's what it's called, but we'll let you know. We got water. I put my hair up because it is hot outside, and we got a cup of water for the sunflowers so they stay healthy, and we're staying hydrated. So right now they're having lunch, and what are you eating?
Ribeye steak sandwich.
I'm not eating. Okay, so they finished lunch, and right now we're gonna see the goats, and then we're gonna leave because it is hot out, and it's just hot out, but it's really pretty. Recommend. What's this place called?
Hunsader Farms?
Yeah, really recommend. Really pretty. Can I pet you, miss? So we are back on the road and we are headed home because I don't really know why, but we're headed back home. Okay, so we were driving back home and there was this really cool looking Taco Bell, and I love Taco Bell if you've been watching the vlogs, so we're getting Taco Bell.
Thank you.
We got the goods. So we are at Wawa and we are getting myself a milkshake, and they're getting, or my mom's getting, my dad and her, is that even English? I don't know. Slurpees. That's what they're called.
I see Slurpees too.
Welcome to Wawa. Okay, so I thought I would do a haul of what we got. We got a watermelon. We got a spaghetti squash. We got a really thick carrot. We got an onion. I don't like onions, so that's for my mom. We got 2 potatoes, red skin potatoes to be exact. We got 2 brown potatoes, and we got 2 cucumbers, 2 loaves of bread, 1 banana nut raisin bread, and 1 cherry banana bread. We got a lemon. We got some lettuce. And we got some blueberries. Thank you for watching today's haul. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. So we made it home and the puppies are very happy about it. Right, Lils? Yeah. And right now we're gonna watch Saved by the Barn. We're going to get our nails done and we have to wear masks, we think. So here they are off of Amazon. Let's go. So we got our nails done and right now we are headed to Panda and Chipotle, right?
I think so.
And I'm going to get Panda Express because I'm muy hungry. Spanish really paid off. So I wanted to share with you my fortunes because I got 2 in my cookie. And it says, you are gifted in many ways and you are destined for success and happiness. So we have finished dinner and right now we are trying to buy Criminal Minds off Amazon Prime because Netflix has till like season 12 or 13 and we finished and we need to know what happened. So we're gonna try and buy that right now. Hi, so we finished half of season 13 and right now it's like 9:30 and I'm tired, but I need to take a shower, so I'm ending the vlog. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.